the chef of this noodle. Hey everyone, I cannot believe that this video hit the 1 million mark on Instagram. I first posted and recorded this video in TikTok where it only got 5K, and I posted this on February 1st, my birthday. I was wearing my birthday makeup, and after this dinner I was planning to do a little birthday photo shoot. So after I ate this meal, I was like editing the video. It took me like 25 minutes to post it. I didn't expect it to go viral. I think it deserves 1 million views, but I always feel like I'm shadow banned. Thank you for 1 million views. I really did not expect it, and I watched that video I posted 7 weeks ago go from 5K, 15K, 700,000, 900,000 over the span of 2 weeks. I did get a lot of comments on Instagram asking for the recipe. And I want to say I am not ignoring your comments. I want to share the recipe as soon as possible. However, the creator of this da lu mian, it's called da lu mian in Chinese, which translates to gravy noodles, but I don't really think that's a good translation because when you think of gravy, you think of turkey. My dad actually lives in China, so I won't see him until like June, July, a few more months. I'll try to get the recipe from him somehow. Maybe we can do a Zoom call and record it somehow. I don't know. Either way, I just wanted to let y'all know I'm not ignoring your comments on Instagram. I will try to get the recipe to y'all as soon as possible. It is called Da Lu Mian, DALUMIAN, if you want to look it up, but I do think our recipe is quite special. Just to give a little rundown, you have to make the noodles from scratch. You stir fry some shrimp, some meat of choice. It has tomatoes and garlic. But it's basically you make fresh noodles and you stir fry some meat and vegetables together. It's quite simple. I can try to recreate the recipe for y'all, but I feel like it should come from the source, you know? Anyway, thank you all for the love and the 1 million views. I was having an awful week last week, and I don't know why I didn't see things on the positive side, because this video literally got 1 million views and I couldn't even be happy about that. But now I am. The sun is shining. Thank you.